Hello everyone, and welcome to the Concert Help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how to create a system. A system consists of an operating system and whatever assets, applications, or container images that you would like to add. To create one, click the Add button next to Systems under the Composites section of the main menu. Your system can be virtual, template-based, or tied to a physical machine. Give your system a name and, optionally, a description. Select an operating system. Next, set minimum requirements for CPU count, memory, and boot disk. If your system requires vGPU or nested virtualization, fill in the checkboxes under Additional Capabilities. Next, install software assets, app bundles, and/or container images. To do so, select the little plus icon from the application's asset card. Return to the builder by selecting View Details from the notification box in the bottom left of the screen, or by clicking the green number next to Systems. In the case of a container image, you'll need to enter more information before moving on from the Install Assets page. Review your system and select Finish. If you would like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. And for more in-depth explanations, visit our help site, concert.com/kb, the links to which are in the video description down below. And of course, if you have any questions, you can get in touch with our support team by submitting a ticket to support@concert.com. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.